Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to add Instagram watermark in Reels. It's quite simple. Just before you upload the reel, make sure you tag yourself within that reel. If you haven't done that, you can do it after posting as well. Just come over here, open the reel that you want the watermark to be in, click on the three dots on the top right corner, scroll down, click on edit, and make sure in this section where it says tag people, you tag yourself. Once that is done, you can click on done, and that is it. You have now added that watermark. If you want to see the results, you will have to download the reel, which is quite simple as well. Open the reel, click on the send button, and scroll all the way to the right on the bottom here. Once you do that, you will see that there is a download button available. Click on download, and once this gets downloaded into your camera roll, you will be able to see that watermark clearly. So as you can see, the video has been downloaded and you can see the watermark here at the right hand side. Yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add watermark in Instagram Reels. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.